guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a great day. Today I'm going to be showing you some fun, easy back to school DIY that you can put at your desk or bring to school or whatever you need, but they'll just help you with back to school. So instead of me telling you things, let's just get into the video. So this first DIY is the paint sample calendar. Let's get started. So basically what you're going to need is something to put the paint samples onto here, and then you're going to need paint samples, which you can get at Home Depot or wherever. Then you're gonna need a glue stick and a dry erase marker so you can write and erase the dates. And you're also gonna need scissors. So the first thing that you're gonna do is you're gonna cut out the month, which will be at the top right here. There is your month, and then you're just gonna glue it on. Okay, so then once you have the tile for your month, then you want to do the weekdays. So I'm gonna cut out a little piece of this. I'm going to use the piece I just cut out, and I'm going to trace it on all the other ones. So now with the other paint samples, I'm gonna cut them so like this width is the same as this width, and then I'm gonna make them go down by 5 because that's how the calendar works, I think. And of course the paint samples I chose have a little curve on them, so gotta get rid of that. And boom, now those ones are trimmed. So then I'm gonna cut them to the same width as these ones. And boom, you have your first day of the week. So then you're just gonna repeat this for all the other ones. And I have finished cutting out the pieces, and now I'm realizing you could just use sticky notes instead, which may be easier, but that's okay. And now I'm just gonna write the dates on the date cards. And I'm also gonna write the month. And it's time to tape everything. And then all you gotta do is add the dates. And boom, then you are done with this beautiful calendar. And this next DIY is a keychain earbud holder, which is super helpful because then you won't lose your earbuds because they'll be on a keychain. And for this you need felt or some sort of fabric and a keychain and one of these icebreaker empty mint containers, a Sharpie or an Expo marker, scissors, and a hot glue gun. So the first thing you're gonna do is basically trace out what pattern or whatever you want on the top of this, which you will hot glue gun on. So I basically just traced the outline of this circle, and I'm just gonna cut it. So I'm gonna want to glue the felt right here. And I also want to cover this part right here because why not? But I feel like it might look better with a different felt, so I'm gonna grab a different felt and use zebra print because this gives me 3rd grader vibes and I like it. And then you're basically just gonna stab a hole wherever you want it to be and loop the keychain through. So after putting a hole in it, all you gotta do is loop the chain through, and boom, you have finished this lovely earbud holder. And this next DIY, which I'm gonna do outside because it can get a little bit messy, is a nail polished pencil cup, but also a mug. And this is super easy, so I don't know how to describe it to you, so I'm just gonna show you. What you'll need is some warm water, which you'll pour into a paint tray, and then you'll need some drops of nail polish. And then I'm just going to take a toothpick and swirl it around a little bit. Finally, I'm just going to dip the mug in. And boom, then you have a really cool sort of subtle splatter painted, not really splatter painted mug. And that's the final DIY. So that was it for my back to school DIYs. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know in the comments if you have any other great DIY ideas, or if you've tried any of these and they worked or didn't work. Sorry if they didn't work, but just let me know and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.